Okay, let's talk about Cowgirl in the Sand and let's learn how to play it. The interesting thing about Cowgirl in the Sand is the different rhythm changes throughout the song, and we're really just going to look at a verse slash chorus because it's really all there is. Three times, I believe. So it's going to start out with an A minor and an F. That's kind of chunking. And there's going to be these little hammer-ons with the A minor. You're going to be hammering on with your index finger off and on to the B string. And when you go to the F, you're going to be hammering on and off with your ring finger off the G string. And you're going to start each chord measure with two downstrokes. And you're going to be muting or controlling the rhythm with the palm of your hand and muting with your fingers, because you don't want to just hold that chord down and just flog, where the rhythm is really just being controlled by your strumming pattern. So you want to kind of control it more. So the down, down kind of starts each of those. But practice that, controlling that rhythm and creating more of a rhythm. Generally you won't, if you're doing this solo, you're not going to have a drummer, so you really kind of need to sort of set that rhythm in place. And that A minor F is a great way to start it. Okay, then you'll see I'll start the song, and then I'll go into kind of the second part, which is going to be the can I stay here for a while? Can I see your sweet, sweet smile? That's kind of part two of the rhythm, the second type of rhythm. So we're going, hello, cowgirl in the sand. Is this place at your command? Now we'll change a little. Can I stay here for a while? Can I see your sweet, sweet smile? Okay, now we're going to change again. This is going to be the D minor, E minor, C, F. So we'll come off of that. Can I see you? Can I see your sweet, sweet smile? Can I see your sweet, sweet smile? Old enough now to change your name. When so many love you, is it the same? And here's the fourth part. It's a D minor. It's the woman in you makes you wanna play this game. Then we're back into the chunking, the A minors and the Fs. So what happens there, that old enough now to change your name, it's E minor, old enough now. And this change your name is sort of C, G, F, but I'm not going to a G. It's too much movement. It's not necessarily to play a full G chord in that little passing. So what I do is I play a C, lift up my ring finger off of the D string, and I kind of just play a little passing, though at least the D and the G string in the middle, before I go to the F, okay? So it's old enough now to change your name. And right before I go to the F, I'm muting everything to kind of give that little staccato space, before I go to the F. And then you do it again. When so many love you, is it the same? Is it the same? The same? The same? Okay, so it's something to practice. Just rewind that spot, play it slow, slow down the speed, and then kind of the last line to get into that little lick is a D minor with that C passing G, F at the end. It's the woman in you. Okay, but the rhythm is kind of changed now, so it went from old enough now to change your name. When so many love you, is it the same? Here we go. Woman in you makes you wanna play this game. Okay, as that F's ringing, you want to slide up and do this little riff. And you're starting on the E string and you're playing 5-3, B string, 5-3. Okay, so it's 5-3 on the B string, 5-3-1. And then you're going to hit the G string open and hammer the second. And then you're playing F chord, F, F, C, E7, A. So the last line, it's the woman in you makes you wanna play this game. Okay, so I'm using a lot of muting to stop those chords to make it more staccato. It's the woman in you makes you wanna play this game. And you can ring that A till you're ready to get in with the A minor. And if you have a looper, you can loop that A minor and F, play a little bit of a solo. If you have another guitar player, they could play a solo. But that's pretty much the arrangement, and you'll do that basically 3 times. So that's it. Good luck. If you learned something, subscribe, like, comment, tell me how it's going. Thanks.